What's up everyone, welcome back, it's Kongboy. And in this video, I'll be playing VR Chat. Now, this isn't just any regular game of VR Chat. I'm actually using a special avatar, or I could say a special guest for this video. And it is my CyberKong VX. So, I had to buy the premium version of this game in order to use a custom avatar. But fortunately, I had a friend named Irumi, who is a creator in this game, to help me make my my avatar. So here he is. I can do backflips and stuff. I can dance. But let's check out some more stuff. There's one really cool feature of this that is also enabled, and it's gonna require me to put on my headset. So what I'll do is put this on, and this is really cool. I got lip sync enabled, so I'll unmute myself, and you can see that as I talk, my mouth moves. So if I make an O sound, O, it just tracks the vowels and the sounds of my voice. So towards the end of my sentences, when I quiet down, it kind of doesn't pick it up as well. But yeah, other people can see this. Anyone who's on PC. The Oculus characters have a lower polygon requirement, or maximum polygon requirement, so this is a little bit too detailed of a character to be on the Oculus VR headset. But yeah, that's the lip sync. So this can kind of be used for VTubing, body tracking, and just used as my avatar in the metaverse. So this is kind of like a metaverse. It's an old one. But let's check out my friend who made this avatar. So I'll go Irumi, and they have this testing facility. Okay, so here we are, and I'm still as my Kong here. You can see a little bit of my shadow. But there's a bunch of mirrors here, and here's a mirror right there. So it's kind of funny. This is the first time in my life that I've ever been over 6 feet tall. But of course, this is not me. This is my metaverse identity. So I can pick up this ball here. I can throw it. I can pick up these other items, but it's kind of like a testing facility that my friend runs, my new VR Chat friend. But there's another mirror, has the date and time. But basically, I can actually type and paste in my video. I have this ready to go. But look at this. This is my video. Look at that. So I'm in a game as my Kong, watching a video of me playing as my Kong. Would you look at that? Ain't that cool? So yeah, here you go. This is VR Chat, and you can see that there's trees moving in the wind, clouds in the sky. Pretty realistic, if I had to say. There's chairs. But yeah, there's other worlds to go to as well. And like I said, I only have one friend right now, but I'll be playing this more and I'll be getting used to it. But yeah, this is just one more example of CyberKong's VX interoperability. But let's check out some more. Alright, so we're in the room of the rain. And apparently it always rains. I think my game's lagging right now because it's just loading, and there's a lot of people in here. But wow, this is kind of the hangout spot, it looks like. Alright, well, it doesn't rain inside the room, but apparently it's always raining out here. Yeah, would you look at that? So they can see me as my Kong. I see these people as their avatar. There's pillows mid-air. I wonder if I can pillow fight someone. But yeah, look at that. I guess I'm intruding on their fun here, but it is a public space, so they got their Patreons. I wonder if I can throw something on this TV. Yeah, I can put my YouTube video up here too if I wanted. Or I can make it a mirror. Oh, there we go. Whoa! Wow, look at that. Alright, so these people seem to be choosing more realistic characters. My guy looks a little bit cartoony. Well, there's R2, but mine's like out of a video game. Theirs is out of an anime show. But I still like it. Kind of cool. Yeah, so there's obviously the virtual reality, the VR version of this game. And I would be able to move my hands around. And if I had a full body suit, full body tracking, then you could see my legs. I could kick and dance and stuff like that. But the only dancing that I can do is the emote. So I can kind of just glide around, do this. But there's other games that I could play. One of them is called Prop Hunt. You may have heard of it, and it's kind of just like hide and seek, but with hunters and these props that are just like items that you place yourself in and as in the room. So I'll go ahead and try that out. All right, so instead of going to Prop Hunt, I actually got a little bit hungry, and we're gonna go to McDonald's. So I haven't seen this before, but here we are. So there's already people here. It's a little laggy. I'm just loading in everybody. Wow. I wonder if I can get actual food here. They got the Best Buy, the Safeway, the Walgreens, a Starbucks. Man, they really made this like a suburban neighborhood. That's funny. The Camaro outside. Let's see if I can walk in and order some food. I'd probably like maybe like a quarter pounder. Let's see. There's nobody working, but maybe I just cook myself a burger. I got some chicken. Maybe I can serve this person, and I can get paid an hourly wage. Oh, I just ate that. There's fries. Ate those fries. Wow, I can just like eat everything. Want a burger? I just gave them a burger. Let's go. Let's go. I just gave them a burger. A drink. Can I fill it up? Nah. That's funny though. That's too funny. Alright, here's your food. Okay, that's enough, McDonald's. It's pretty good though. Oh wait, what did I... Oh, this is a way to change your avatar. Okay, so that's kind of cool. So you can actually set like portals and... Yeah, look at me, I'm like the McDonald's man now. I'm the clown. But yeah, there's a way to set portals and interactive objects that can change your avatar or your location. But I don't want to be... Whoa. I don't want to be this Sonic guy. I want to be my Cybercom. So, there we go. But yeah, that's McDonald's. We stopped in, we got some food, got a bite. But yeah, even Kongs get hungry, man. We gotta feed ourselves. So, but let's check out what else there is. All right, so after McDonald's, I did eat a lot, and I'm feeling a bit tired. So there's this sleep and chill room. And wow, it's really well made. It's very well made. There's no one else here. Oh, there's a basement. Okay. What else can I do? Ah, this is where people are. Hello, they're taking a sleep. Taking a nap. I didn't watch my video again. I don't know if that's kind of the mood for sleeping. It's kind of cool. I dig this. I dig this. So I can just put a pillow wherever I want. And I guess I could lay down. I could die. My character just falls on the ground. So you see his legs right there. That's one way to sleep. But yeah, so just like any other avatar in the VR chat metaverse or any other metaverse, Kongs are included in that. Kongs are compatible, universal, and they look pretty good while doing it. So this was the CyberKong VX in VR chat. There's more to see, and I'll show you a bit more in the future, whether it's on my Oculus or in other games. That's it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed watching the CyberKong VX in VR chat. And if you enjoyed it, give me a like. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below, and I'll catch you later.